Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
Hi, this is Rachel from Gentle Frog. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your bank account from QuickBooks Online. In the example that I'm using, I'm going to disconnect my PayPal account. This is going to be slightly different than the other video I made where I disconnected the PayPal account because this account is not connected using PayPal Connect, so what you're going to see on the screen will be slightly different. Let me go ahead and show you. On the left-hand side, I go to Banking. I go to the tile for PayPal Bank. I click on the pencil. I choose Edit Account Info. And then down here, I just say disconnect this account upon save. This is what you're going to do if you want to disconnect a checking account, a savings account, a credit card account. The screen will look just like you see here. That's it. It's disconnected. I hope this video has been helpful. If my team or I can do anything for you, please don't hesitate to leave a note in the comments or to reach out to us. We can be found at gentlefrog.com. Thank you so much.